All right, guys, so we're on Bubble 3 CSD Unit 2, Lesson 5, Bubble 3. All right, so we've done our doc type and our HTML tags. Now we're going to format using head and body tags. Now this idea of a body should sound familiar to where you have used it in language arts, where it's the body of your text. Same concept here, where now it's the body of your HTML code. All right, so anything you add in the HTML document should go inside either the head or the body elements. So if you look at this image, it kind of breaks it down for us. We have our doc type, HTML, open and close, head, open, and this is information about your web page, and your head, close. And now the body, and this is any of the content that's actually going to show up on the page, and close the body, and all of that gets sandwiched inside the HTML. Now if I'm not sure about this, I can come over here to my questions. Why do I need to structure the HTML document in this way? You can read through this, but just some good thoughts here. It says that modern web browsers can make good assumptions about the language that you're writing in, and it can sort of figure it out. However, to guarantee the best results for displaying your web pages on all computers, you want to make sure that you add in the accurate information. So when you think about this, as you go forward, you're going to need two different sections in your HTML file, and they serve different purposes. The body is going to serve the purpose of the content of your page, whereas the head is going to tell us information about the page. All right? So I want you to, if you are feeling a little confused on that, please read through this. What is a head element? The head element contains all of the information about the page. This is extra information that is helpful for the computer in displaying your web page. So whatever you put in the head section is not actually going to be content that shows up on your page. It's more of a communication with the computer and the web browser. So it is before the body, but inside the HTML. A question you might be wondering is, how is a head element different than header elements? The header, these are going to be your H1 through H6, and these are actually going to display the content. The head tag is telling information about the web page, and the people using your web page don't actually see that information. That's more for the computer. And then what is the body element? Basically all of your paragraphs, your images, everything that shows up is inside the body. So we want to look over here. If we use our image to help us out, we've got our doc type, we've got our HTML, and now I'm going to hit enter. And now this is where I want to put my head tag. Now I don't really have any information to put in my head tag, so I'm going to go ahead and close it right away. I'm going to hit enter and do my body tag. But for this, I have to go all the way down to the end, and I want it to be in between the end of my content and my HTML tag. So I'm going to close the body tag. And notice now we don't have any pink anymore, and everybody's happy. All right? So I can go ahead and hit finish on this stage. All right, and now in Bubble 4, it asks us to go ahead back to in our hobbies page. It gives us our hobbies page, and we want to update it with these new tags. All right, so we're just updating our hobbies page with the information that we just added to our recipes page. So please go ahead and complete Bubbles 3 and 4 kind of together. Oop, there we go. And 5 will be in a different video.